Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra in GTA 5 online. The Jester Classic is the in-game equivalent of the iconic Toyota Supra. You can purchase this high-performance sports car directly from the legendary motorsport website within the game. Make sure you have enough in-game cash to complete the transaction, as it's a premium vehicle. This process is straightforward and gets you driving quickly. To begin, simply open your character's in-game phone or use a laptop at your apartment or office. From there, access the Internet browser application. Once the browser is open, look for the Travel and Transport tab. This section lists all the vehicle dealerships available in Los Santos, including Legendary Motorsport, where you'll find your desired car. Once you're on the Travel and Transport page, click the link for Legendary Motorsport. Browse through their extensive catalog of high-end vehicles until you find the Jester Classic. Select it, and you'll have options to customize its color and other features before finalizing your purchase. Confirm the order, and the car will be delivered to your garage. After your purchase is confirmed, the Jester Classic will be delivered to one of your owned garages. It's important to ensure you have an open slot in a garage to receive your new vehicle. If all your garages are full, you might need to sell or move another car. Once delivered, you can access and drive your Jester Classic from any of your garages whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.